Hello and welcome to the Scale Modelling Cafe, and welcome to some exciting breaking news once again from Airfix. And they've done another seeking job really in that, so when I film this, right, so what day is it today? It's Friday today. Telford starts tomorrow for the weekend. And Airfix have only gone and released a U-Tool 1/72nd scale ME410 that's going to be on sale tomorrow at Telford, and no one knew anything about it. It's literally just dropped in the last 30 minutes. So I've just been chatting with Matt Whiting, who designed it. He's the chief designer for Airfix. He designed the kit, so I messaged him straight away. It literally just appeared on the Airfix website as I happened to be looking at it. And I was like, what's this? And then I was racking my brains. Did they announce that before in the new year? And I've completely forgotten about it. And like, no. And I went back through and I couldn't find any evidence of it whatsoever. So I messaged Matt and said, have you guys just released an ME410 in 72nd scale that I knew nothing about? He said, yeah. We've kept it a complete secret, and we've just literally just dropped it 15 minutes ago. So I've just been having a chat about it and about the kit, and it looks lovely. And Matt's extremely proud of it, and it should be an absolutely stunning kit. So because this is all ad hoc, it's literally just arrived, I thought I'd just do a very quick video, and I'm putting the glasses on and I've got my phone here, and I'm just going to jump on to the well, I should have the Airfix website here already. Right, let me have a look. So here we go. Right, I'm on the Airfix website. The kit number is A04066. It's an ME410 A1/U2 and U4. There's two options in the kit. The box art is beautiful, by the way, flying over the mountains and fields. Right, here we go, scrolling down. So 72nd scale, 137 parts, two options, skill level 2. It's about some blah about the aeroplane itself, so I'm not going to read all that. Right, here we go. What's inside? Plastic model kit, instruction sheet, paint layout sheet, and decal schemes. 11 Store 26 in Norway, 1945. There's a list of paints you need, and the other one is Stab 2 Store 26 in Königsberg in 1944. Both RLM 74, 75, 76. The first one, or is it actually? It looks like it might be the late. Oh no, it's 74, 75, 76. And with a sort of wavy green stripe at the bottom of the fin and spirals on the spinner. That's quite a nice scheme. And then the Stab 2's Historisches Vater 26 one has a white band around the tail and looks like green spinners with a spiral. So two really nice schemes there. Obviously you're pretty limited in schemes because it wasn't widely used, the aeroplane. It was a bit of a failure really, let's face it. But yeah, so two nice schemes, and that really is pretty much it. So now I'm wondering if that Edward have been given a pre-production and we're going to get some canopy masks fairly quickly. I really hope so. There's no way I'm doing it without those. And I very much doubt that the airframe is riveted, because Airfix don't do riveting. And actually it would put the price up. In fact, I didn't mention the price, did I? What was it, $23.99? Let's have a look. Yeah, I did read that right. So $23.99 is the RRP, which I think is pretty fair, because it's a fairly big aeroplane. all told. So, yeah, there we go. That's a very quick announcement. Obviously, I'm going to bung some pictures up here. Matt did send me some pictures of the built-up model, but he's asked me not to post them until tomorrow, where it's all going to be on show on the stand at Telford. So look out on my Facebook page, and tomorrow I'll post up the pictures that he sent me, because the model looks really very, very nice. And what a great choice. Luftwaffe always sells it, and it's a cool, funky looking aeroplane, actually. And yeah, am I going to get one? I don't know. I've got so much in the pipeline. I'd really like to, but obviously I'm not going to be able to get one until I go home, and then who knows what else is going to be announced after that. There we are. So thanks very much for watching this kind of emergency video. I was just about to film my weekly update, and that's all been kiboshed. So I'm going to have to sort of redo the script for that, and there we are. So yeah, really exciting. A new 1/72 scale ME410 from Airfix, and they've done it again. They've just, boom, here's a brand new kit that no one knew anything about, ready for Telford. That's so cool. So thanks very much, and I'll see you for the weekly update later on this afternoon. Cheers, bye-bye.